NIKI BIKI started in 2001 with the goal to provide everyone with good quality basics. Our brand falls into the casual and premium basics for women, and we focus on seamless apparel because eliminating seams means more comfort and better fit. We started with only 12 machines, but the response was amazing. Now we have grown so much that we have over 70 seamless machines. In fact, we just purchased 4 new machines this year due to increase in demand. So we make everything here in our in-house manufacturing facility in Los Angeles. Our collection consists of wardrobe basics for women of all age, such as cami, tank tops, bralettes, and leggings, but we do have trendier items each season. The tips for quality of clothes that buyers should look out for is definitely the seams, but since our clothes are seamless, you don't have to worry about that. Buyers should pay attention to the quality and comfort of the fabric for sure. Our ideal buyer persona are premium boutique owners who value well-made apparel. We always tell our new customers, if you don't know where to start or which one to buy, always starts with the basics. These are the seasonless staples that are guaranteed to sell all year long. Our ultimate bestseller is our classic tank tops, NS5178. We've sold over 10 million pieces of these, and these are the perfect staple to any quality boutique. People love our tanks because they're so soft and stretchy. For leggings, our vintage washed leggings are doing extremely well because of how comfy and stylish they look. And B7495 is one of the best sellers. The trendier pieces that are hot right now are our animal prints collection. We have cami, crop tops, and leggings in leopard and snakeskin prints. We usually start designing 6 months in advance, and buyers should start stocking up those new styles 2 months in advance. We get our design inspirations from both our immediate surroundings and social media. Street style and social media have become so valuable in the fashion world, providing us fresh inspirations from all over the world. We've been on FashionGo since 2014, so it has been around 5 years. We do use the marketing tools that FashionGo has to offer, and now that we use the tools more, we can showcase more of our brand to the customers, and we hope to grow even more on FashionGo. Other than that, we also utilize social media. Social media is such a great way to show people your brand image and what your brand is all about. This is also such a great platform to connect and engage with your customers. Every social media outlet should be taken advantage of to promote your brand. You can buy our products, see our bestsellers, and what's trending right now all on FashionGo. And what sets our brands apart is how soft our products are. So come by to our showroom to actually feel it. It's located in the Fashion District, and we hope to see you there.